Slán! Oh, boy, slán! Make him a modh. Go on, 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 go on.
Maybe I need to say to all the young people of Ireland, Tommy Foghlaim Gaeilge initiative. Neil say Jacker RB. Oh no. Function. What's your own?
We're at the Galway Town Hall Theatre.
Continuing on the journey, spreading the good news of having fun with Irish. In English.
I want a good message going back to Connemara about the type of stuff that we're doing. You know, I want it to be a good show so that the word goes back to Connemara that there's good shit happening.
Sometimes I do, every now and then, get this impression like, oh shit, man, you gotta be careful because you are definitely, whatever about being a foreigner, now you are just a total outsider, man. You are in this other place, you are not from here, and if you step on the wrong toes, you're gonna experience some problems. I'm playing Gaelic football with Leitir Móir. Now, don't get me wrong, it's just junior C. It's not fucking, it's not inter-county. You know, junior C is like 50-year-olds that are like, fuck the football now. I'm just gonna lay out that funny fuck-cock. Okay? There's no skill in it. It's just keeping away. It's keeping away from the bitter fuckers who are past it. And I walk out in the pitch, and I'm playing cornerback, right? Now, I'm not a natural cornerback in that I'm 31 years of age, and I'm getting slow, and you're usually marking some little 16-year-old hot shot. I'm making contact, I'm not looking at my guy, and approximately 3 seconds later, I'm on the floor. Nira ein gui in mawallig kurabir. I was completely winded, and I was just like, oh my God, you're really not in Kansas now, Toto. Go easy, like, if you're a cooig, don't be too crazy. I'm doing a new course, I don't want to look stupid. Do you have to turn it on, Cookie?
Time is actually flying now. Like, I can't believe I'm halfway. I still feel like I'm just starting. Right now we're in Carrow, and I'm just about to start my new course, my new Irish course, and this is pretty much the last time I'm going to be speaking English. After this course, I expect myself to be pretty good at Irish. A lot of people in the area have said that a lot of foreign people have come here, and in a month their Irish has improved beyond belief. After this course, I will have no more excuses. So if my Irish isn't really good after this course, I will start to panic.
Okay. That's it. Gory more Tom, okay? Yeah, no.
Son. What's the Gaeilge beatbox?
Beatbox.
Mo beatbox.
Yeah, mo beatbox. Mo beatbox. Níl ein X in Gaeilge. Mo beatbox.
CS. B-O-C-S.
Yeah, mo beatbox.
Mo beatbox. Cíochainn an tú sin?
Cíochainn an tú?
Sure. Níl sam.
Cíochainn mé?
Níl sam céir da beatbox.
Well, ní enemy ish.
Agus bhfuil busca chuir tú dvéal.
Am I scared?
A chuir tú busca I dvéal.
Just can't all fool like Zenim fool lay my bear. Fuckle suus. Now for the foundation level kids, that was word up. And for the honest level, for the arts level, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, actually, no, actually, it's fuckle huas, because the word is already up, so it's actually fuckle huas. If the word was going up, it would be fuckle suas. But because the word is already up, it's actually fuckle huas. So ta an fuckle ek dul suas agus. If the fuckle was coming back, it would be ta an fuckle ek chapter anuas. Actually, if you do the... Oh, you can do the beatbox.
It's kind of like that, isn't it?
I got a strong connection to Jump Around by House of Pain, being an Irish American and everything, and I often do it as a kind of party piece after gigs sometimes even.
So it's like, pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. It's an introductory line.
Yeah. You could say, doen de glap, doen de wereld.
That's so funny, because that's exactly what...
I've just wanted to translate it for ages. I tried, to be honest, to do it on my own, but it's kind of next to impossible for me at my stage of Irish.
So, like, let me begin... anything. It doesn't have to be let me begin, but obviously something that... Eishle Mashkale. This guy, Gaeltacht.
Yeah, so I found this guy, Dara Devaney, who, he just does it for a laugh. He translates songs into, English songs into Irish. And I think he's done it once or twice with rap, because rap can be tough.
Doing the club, doing the veil, ace lay my scale, my cap and two good tiggin' two, tatu good regale, Tommy go the one, can't go lay my slower, go mark, I can't get that last line. But actually that flow works up until that last line, and that's only because, like, I'm like Gaelige illiterate.
How much you give me pool lane, the mince in the heart, Agus, how much you acclaimed Gaelige. But yeah, I'm just, come here, acclaim my classmates. Come here, acclaim my classmates, ask my colossus coin. How much bui, how much bui, really? To be honest, I hope that for the next 4 weeks I'm going to be speaking Irish all the time, and that at the end, I'll be borderline fluent in the sense that I'll be thinking in Irish and dreaming in Irish and, just saying things without thought. Far, Pat. Not far. Oh. Let's up the plug. Up the plug, Mazen. Cuagla dig. Me Lunasa. Agus, Jochame, my leaving cert results in you. Well, my leaving cert result.
College Móir. Cumulashkit. College Móir. Last machine, sir.
College Móir, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. Neil may rate post. Neil may rate post. Oh, come on.
Connemara.
Oh, Connemara, great. A1,
Attention.
A1. Oh, Buicus live. Buicus live. Buicus like Gertrude.
No wonder Irish people got emotional issues. The fucking shit they made you read when you were at school. Because the curriculum is crazy. 14 years, you still can't fucking speak it, and they're making you read these fucking books. Day 1, 5th year, the teacher holds up a book in Irish that nobody wants to read and says, children, go home and read this book in Irish. The child takes that book home and spends a couple of days trying to find that book in English. Then, when they find that book in English, they read it in English, then they go back into school a few weeks later and say, Miss or Sir, I read this book in Irish. The teacher then gets the past papers, takes out the really difficult questions in Irish, and translates those questions from Irish into English. The child takes that question home and answers that question in English. Then the child takes that answer back to the teacher, and the teacher helps that child to translate that question back into Irish. Then, for the final 3 months of that child's education, they memorize that answer word for word, until finally, on the day of the exam, when that white page is put in front of that child, they just vomit that fucking answer out of their brain like a bulimic eating Haagen-Dazs for 3 days. And that empty part of your brain that's left after that traumatic experience says to you, don't ever put that fucking language anywhere near this head again. That was the most traumatic experience of my life.
Anish, I'm a Jane of Scroodu.
dumb course. You know, just test like screwed. Yeah. Can't me done stack in it. Oh, Magalore. Agus champagne.
Oh, tá muid thuirse fanis.
Tá tug Jennifer Galore screw doing you.
Tá muid. Agus, bhfuil tú hain cearcolóir, níl tú nervhí se go bhfuil?
Níl mé ró nervheiseach.
Rúir tú cúpla páidir.
Come leis cé?
Rúir tú cúpla páidir.
Bhí. Rúir. Dúirt mé.
Tá tú Foghlaim Gaeilge inis ó mí Aibran deasú.
Oh no, oh me flower actually. Oh me flower, yeah.
So bhfuil éon multi agatsa de chuine be bhacha Foghlaim Gaeilge.
Bhfuil éon multi?
Multi.
Cos le five.
Cedíar eile duine tá Foghlaim Gaeilge, céir de peart ó bhí dhéanana.
Come leis cé?
Cúrla.
Cúrla.
Cúrla?
Yeah.
Cúrla. Cúrleoir.
Yeah. Hosa is like Foghlaim Gaeilge.
Tá.
Yeah, so céir de minute tusa. Agus dairi leat I rudaí, it's ní rair leat I rudaí eile. So cén multi I heorfá go rinne eile a bhacha Foghlaim Gaeilge.
Just ní hiigem an cash.
Céir de díartha le duine tá Foghlaim Gaeilge.
This course has been a little bit of a confidence knocker. Don't get me wrong, like I actually feel like my speaking of Irish is better, but I've kind of, a new door has been opened to how much I still have to do, and that's actually, it's a little bit frightening.
Tá tú sa as? Conde?
I'm learning a little bit of the mathematics of the language, which I didn't really know before, but I was shit at maths, and it can actually confuse me a little bit. So at times, I find myself, you know, getting a little bit over confused, but that's all right. I kind of understand a little bit about why Irish people find it difficult. I was half thinking of dropping out of the class so I wouldn't lose my love of the language. Right now we're at the set of Ross na Brún, and at the start of this project I always thought it would be a great indicator of my progress if I got good enough to get a part on Ross na Brún, because I watch Ross na Brún a lot to help me practice my Irish, and I've gotten a very small part, but a bit of crack. Is it Kame Dul Akusha, is it? Kame Dul Suas Akusha. Kame Dul Suas Akusha. Cleamiort, okay? In other words, like, get out of my sight.
Yeah. So, should do them in character own. So,
yeah, own.
They should show Ronnie Machamitz.
You know, I just think it's a cool thing that there's a very everyday soap opera in Irish on television. So, I think it's funny too to do Ross na Brún. That's personal. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, but these are the clothes they gave me. They're trying to turn me into the most normal dude ever. So, should I?
That's not pleasure.
Machars, yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic was cute, but OT month.
Carclor.
Okay.
It's a pub scene that we're doing. And the context of the scene is that one of the girls from Ross na Brún and I had like a little one-night stand, I think. And she's been kind of showing off about it. And I think it's a problem, because I think I used to go out with somebody else in Ross na Brún. But none of this was on television. It's just things that happen in the village that we never know about. It's the magic of the soap opera. My small scene creates a ripple effect, which gives them at least 4 weeks of shit to talk about on Ross na Brún. But I never come back again.
Half the glaze on shot, please. Cunis, August, action.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Rosemary.
Roisha.
Oh, Shaft, Rosha.
Yeah. Cechol chloigen.
Donna.
Oh, mar gana lobsa. Shadi mi da for Vienna. Agus Carla. Hi. Hi, it's Espolet.
Hi, Galia, brought them go to Sakusha. Glihamiort, okay?
Right, was right?
Okay. Hold there, please.
I didn't know about this place, this fucking South Connemara, the Gaeltacht, right? And it is wonderfully wild in every way, shape, and form. Even their English has like a weirdness about it, you know? And funny T's and, you know, just funny grammar, you know? But there's this one great character down there. He's 40 years of age, but he's still playing Junior A. He's still got it, you know? He's got that fucking passion. His name is Joe Thomas, and he's a real Connemara character, right? And he kind of gave me a lot of advice about the football early on, and I got to like him.
So Joe Thomas, Machara Aston, come on Pelnivana. Or Mikesh there, Joe. Are you able to give us a hand with a couple of basics that I've never really got? So he's very graciously given his time, weeks the dia.
Niet te keer gekocht, het is een bal. Zijn was te sterkste tackle. Dan moet van de vader not. Niet te keer gemount en de bal, maar is er al af. Niet van zo kun je stintje niet. Het man te go when je gaan neer een shot. Dat de law het shot. Maar wordt dan ontief zo. Dat de wall when je niet kun je. Niet van Het is goed in ons baan, shit. Het is goed in ons baan. Die goed.
Niet baan.
En ons baan.
That's barely just the second one.
Like your woman, you have to treat her like your woman. Because when you have her, you think everybody here wants to get her.
And he does this really odd thing. Every day when he's walking out on the pitch to play a match, he takes a lump of grass and he eats it. Now, I'm not joking. And I thought this was the weirdest but coolest thing I'd ever seen. So one day I finally had the courage to say, you know, Joe Thomas, like, what's the story with eating the fucking grass before the match? And he says to me, it's like this. So I spit on my hands for the grip, right? But you need spit. And I used to chew gum to get spit. But after 15 minutes, it dries up, no more spit, like, you know. So I started chewing grass. This grass makes loads of spit. And after 15 minutes, the grass dries up too, you know. But there's always more grass.
Come in here, Junior C, orange. I just toss you. This fishing. Get over it, lads! Get over it! I'm put for crunch, no, Patrick, what?
Come on, Joe Thomas!
Yeah, come with just an action force. Over the battle, Patrick!
I'm all fired up and walk. We should fucking Gaeltacht knock, well. Jesus, oh fucking, that was great. That was great. That was a real come out this morning, huh? I guess kind of fucking tight. But no, we should fucking Gaeltacht. I mean, look at that, I was fucking fired up to the nines. The fucking adrenaline was pumping through me. And I was looking out there over the fucking dunes and I was just thinking, this is as good as it gets, man.
Oh, well.
Tá sé mí lúnasa inis tháinig mé go Connemara ó sé láid ag fáir so Martha Arbin Baltana meheh úl agus lúnasa go le agus fear go le so sé bhí inis bé mé hart sé bhí eile freisin líon amháin is sin anad actually Nir tá mé exmríanamh sin anad. Céir faoi tiistil ginine dá. Níl ná le tiistil ginine céir bhfuil sé.
Ceist anhá.
Some days like I'm just learning Irish every day and it's like, what are you going to do today? Well, what are you going to do? What are you going to do today? You're going to learn Irish. Like that's what you said you were going to do for a year. You're going to learn Irish every flipping day. I don't know if I could say I'm finding it difficult, but you know, the parameters are different. Thank you very much. So, tá muid ag an electric picnic in ish. Tá mé go hart an electric picnic. Agus, bé mé ag clachta modh Gaeilge. Just, like, is space them faoi, or will it aim dinner, like, Ragralum and Gaelige. So Kano just almost like Tame ag Chachtamach, I'm coming out. Costale Homo Ganesach, Tame ag Chachtamach, Leitir Móir Gaeilge, you know. So feckin' which Feckwilship. So here's the challenge, right? Here's the challenge. We're gonna see how long it takes before somebody responds back with the proper response. Not like when somebody just fucking says something stupid, like, you know, like that guy just did. But like when I say Kekawiltu, somebody says Tamegama, or something along those lines. Kekawilship. Kekawilship. Kekawiltu. Kekawiltu. Yoshe Eska. Kekawiltu. Kekawilship.
How are you keeping?
Magalore, August Hain.
Tamegama?
Fair play, good. Tattoo on Cade Dinner, like Leitir and Gaeilge Rashla.
Well, Neil Shea wrote it for seal.
You're learning Irish?
Tamegama Foghlaim Gaeilge. Ta.
Oh, you have to talk Irish.
Ni kai mate, just Pawana.
Hey, you're a Yank, you're not fucking Irish. Call us a tattoo, ma.
Magalore, August Hain.
Oh, Misha, I'm grand.
Oh, Gur Mahal. Oh, Gur Mina Magi.
It's Misha Brian. No, yeah. Tommy on Choi on Picnic Electron. Ton crack galore.
Neil Long, welcome.
Tattoo Jennifer.
No practices.
Shin Shin on five. Shin on fucking five walk. Neil ain't in a catching Gaeilge slow. So I'm just going to meet Darry here because he's been working away on the translation of the House of Pain. So, Hakuna J, he's the load we worked on. Hey Darry, kick will too.
Come on, what's doing?
Hey, my galore. So, kick a rush, eh?
Your?
Yeah.
Your fucking look at the happen too.
Like basically, Takiola and new freshen.
Okay.
So. Which...
Yeah, well, schreib mir Schießer.
Yeah.
Ach, you know, schreib mir Schießer is to it, like phonetically.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Foghlaim Gaeilge, Calibre Gadana, ni hugad mich an ord in the Gaelige Chana. I don't pay any attention to the Gaelige Chana. I think, and so it's just like, Duncan, Donut Shop, Jada, you know, continues on to the next line, and that one, so it's like, and the Gaelige Chana, and Geru Rua, the Mutton Chopping Tua, Lemanish Galua. That's another one from a nursery rhyme. It's
cool. But it brings us in to jump around.
Yeah, Lemanish Galua. Matasha Mikart, it's coming on, Lame Heart, Lame Heart.
Oh, cool.
Lame Heart.
So that's the chorus?
Yeah.
Now, if you were to jump around in Irish, you would either lame temple or, my preference, lame heart. So, what I decided to do for a laugh, which requires a lot of help from you guys, is I translated jump around into Irish. That's right. It is fucking one thing speaking Irish. It is fucking hard to rap in it, I'll tell you right now. Okay? And I had help. I didn't fucking just write this myself, because this shit is fucking difficult. It ain't easy to fucking translate I got more rhymes than those cops in a Dunkin' Donut shop, I'll have you know. Okay? So, DJ Lee, pump that shit. But you gotta jump. You gotta fucking lane, motherfuckers. Yeah, that's right, come on. Here we go. Time to fucking spree and roll up and jangle, motherfuckers, come on. Through the cloud, through the veil, H name a scale, look happen to my ticket to, shot to the gale, time to go to Wowra, tangle in the Scoura, go you up the beat, cause got you trying on the Saura, sushi, pushi, motherfucker, whooshy, now be a flight, nothing, you know what you is like, dealer, a job, a little bit of answer, dancer, got ain't strong, Bookily crawler, Tommy fucking daughter, lick him in the honor, to the garden, shit, harder, and the tire blew up, I brought something to her, claiming this, galore, Matasha me cart, it's come on, lay me hard, lame, come on,